Let's talk about the 2018 F-150. This is a brand new, what we call the Street Series. We're starting a new truck revolution. When everybody goes left, we go right. So let me explain the concept behind this vehicle. This is a lowered vehicle. For years, everything's gone up and everybody's got the big jacked up trucks. We want to bring back what they call the Ford Lightning, and that's why we have now what we call the SS, or it's the Street Series. So with this look, you can actually have a supercharged truck that's going to be lowered to the ground. And today's suspension, you've got, it'll just handle like a race car. You know, with today's exhaust and all the things you can put on this, technology is where it needs to be now to bring back what I call a street performance truck. You can look at the beautiful silver paint job and you look at AirDesign's body kit. So let's start with the front, with the hood scoop. It's an integrated hood scoop. It looks like it's just molded in. It gives you that beautiful look. And people look at it, I don't really understand it. It looks like it came from the factory. I go, no, that's what you get with AirDesign. And that's what you get with this California design. We've got a clean, timeless look. What makes this truck really unique is basically got a splitter on it. No one's got a splitter on an F-150. Moving on to the side, you'll see the beautiful fender vents that AirDesign has. It gives you that nice lowered, like Raptor look. It's gonna give you that mean look in street performance truck. Going down to the side skirts, it just accents all the lines on the Ford. The DNA with the wheel arches, it just looks like it came from the factory, but it didn't. It comes from AirDesign. As you move around to the rear, you're gonna see the aggressive Ford Performance twin exhaust. And even the trailer hitch has a trailer hitch cover on it, so it gives you that really custom integrated look. You see that Lear tonneau cover. This was designed specially and shown at SEMA. It's got a little built-in air dam. Look at the beautiful design. The Pirelli tires are 24-inch, and you got the beautiful 4G Auto 24-inch rims that have the red inlay on the inner barrel with the chrome polished stainless steel on the outside with a stainless steel clear coat finish on it. This thing is it's a beautiful vehicle. Very classic car. This is just a mean looking machine.